First, fold your paper in half, and then fold it the other way. Open it back up, and if you had trouble folding, you can draw a line down the center and another line down the center. Find the middle of your paper and draw a circle shape. That's anything roundish that is not colored in. Find the middle of your face and draw a line standing up, or a vertical line. To make the nose, do a sideways triangle or a curved line. Create two lips side view by making a bumpy line. Add a curved line for the chin that goes down to the bottom of the face. Find the middle of the lips, the wavy line, and do a smile line to show a little curve that comes up. To make the lips, find the top of your wavy line and bring it down to your smile line. Do the same for the bottom lip, coming from the wavy line up towards your smile line. Now for the eye in profile. That means an eye to the side. We're doing an angle line that comes up and another angle line that comes down. It looks almost like an unfinished triangle. Add the inside of the eye by making a curved line that goes from the top angle line to the bottom angle line. Add the colorful part of the eye by making another little curved line and then a pupil that goes in the middle. Next up is the eye from front view. It's going to start with a curved line that comes up and back down. For the bottom part of the eye, you go down and back up. Connect it to your top line. Add the inside of the eye by making a curved line that comes from the top of your eye to the bottom. And don't forget a dot in the middle for the pupil. Find the middle of your lips again to make a curved line that comes up on the other side for a smile. Go to the top of your lip and bring a curved line down to your smile line. Do the same for the bottom lip by coming up to your smile line. Add some eyebrows in any style of your choosing. I did a little zigzag line. Add a neck and shoulders by making a curved line that goes from the chin down to the bottom of your paper. Last but not least, add some hair to your Cubist portrait. And you can also add some ears. Last but not least, add any details and color your portrait.